Wideband's not working right now for some reason. Hopefully that comes back on so we can tune it a little bit, but I don't know what happened there. Quade's got the laptop. We're cruising out to the hill. Alright guys, we just made it like halfway to the sand hill. I'm just checking everything out, make sure there's no leaks on it. I fixed this little leak back here, so that's good news. We should just have that one right there, so definitely cutting our oil leaks down in half. Close this door for these people right here. Anyways, everything's looking good. It's riding smooth. It's a little bit of a rough ride, but besides that, hear the fan on in the front right here. So we're gonna keep on keeping on.
Yeah, you got nothing back there. Nothing there, you're good. stuck, boys.
Not really, but we are kind of. Alright, get out. Not really stuck, but we're kind of stuck. It's stuck because we're about to bottom out. Oh shit, dude. What's up, guys? Today we came out to the sand hill to make a little video, and at some point in time we lost our headlight. So Quaid is over there looking for the headlight right now. But anyways, I want to show you guys the new updates on the CRX. As you already seen, we got the new turbo on there, and we got some windows now. We got a firewall. That door is a self-closing door. Some oil right there. That's weird. I don't know what that's from. Anyways. Yeah, so I think we might have lost the headlight up on top of this hill. So we're probably going to have to go up there and look. But anyways, the good thing of that is that we're going to get to go up this hill. So we're going to see if we make it up this sand hill. Alright guys, we're going to go up the hill because we think that our headlight might be on top. What's up, guys? Me and Bella have came today to talk to you about today's sponsor of the video, Aura. Wait a second. What's up, guys? Me and Bella have came today to talk to you about today's sponsor, HelloFresh. Wait. What's up, guys? Me and Bella have came today to talk to you about today's sponsor of the video, AG1. Guys, I just interrupted the video to tell you guys to like and comment on the video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel because that is the only way we make any revenue from these videos. It's just me here building cars and posting videos for you guys. So I really appreciate it if you guys could like the video and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna get back to the action. Well, we found the headlight. It was laying right here on the ground. I came up here and me and Quaid were dripping it, and it landed right there after we did like a little drift thing. So yeah, there's the $300 back in my pocket, thank God. Those headlights are super expensive. Yeah, we hit this drift, and apparently right after that lost the headlight in probably the best spot possible. So anyways, yeah guys, that's pretty much it. So right now one of the shocks is sticking down. We also have a pretty massive oil leak going on right now. I tried to fix as many oil leaks as I can, but we still have this one right here on the side like that, and It's leaking a lot of oil, so. Plus the wideband just took a crap, like I said, and whatnot. So this might have been a short video, but hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one. Just wanted to update everyone. I'm feeling a little bit better, obviously. So that's good. Everyone stay safe. Cody, what do you got to say?
Don't do drifts in the sand with a loose headlight.
Attaboy, dude. Attaboy. My God. Hit the horn, hit the horn. Oh my God. Get out the way, Sand.